position and out of the demo. The pirate ship S14. Part of the Formula Ship family, pretty big RB26, Skyline R34. Been working on this vehicle for a long time, just coming out here having fun, clutch kicking the iconic vehicle on this R34 with that RB26. I think we had a fuel pump issue earlier today, and now again it competes in the Drift League, which is the drifting sanctioned body that competes over at the House of Drift, Irwindale, California. Speaking of Irwindale, California, Chelsea Noble behind the wheel of his PC Racing, Minnow Tire, Ford Performance Mustang RTR Spec 5D. He'll be alongside many other high-tiered competitors. Again, this is a takedown version of the demo vehicle. You can step behind the wheel of this Ford Mustang at the School of Drift. Here's the Portland. Everybody's out here having fun behind the wheel. LS Power S14, the Heartbreaker pirate ship. That is Tommy Roberts. It's good because, you know, it's coincidental that he's driving the Heartbreaker because the pirate ship that is the S14. Congratulations to Matt Powers. Now he can't be a Heartbreaker anymore because he's Minnow Tire, LS Power, S14, Tommy Roberts. the pirate ship, the Heartbreaker. This vehicle has competed in many different events across the globe. This vehicle, the town bike, everybody gets a ride as Tommy Roberts behind the wheel. Matt Powers competed in the Formula Drift Championship. Vehicle, very iconic. The driver couldn't join us, Matt Powers, the owner I should say, but Tommy Roberts still a very capable driver. As Chelsea Nova burned some more Ditto tire. 555 G2s, the second generation of the popular 555 tire. Remember, on the Auto Enthusiast Day stage, Chelsea, Donut Day was just last weekend, but we were a week late. Donut Day, official National Donut Day. It's National Donut, or National something day every day, but National Donut Day last week. Tommy working the crowd here. If you like what you see, feel free to put your hands together. Be sure to tag @Ditto Tire. That's Tommy's Instagram handle. That's Tommy Roberts. And again, if he is single, maybe we should blow him out. The Heartbreaker. All these drivers on social media. Tommy Roberts, real simple. Tommy had to be an early adopter. That's Ernie Bixmer. R33. Competing in the Drift League, which is the Irwindale Speedway venue. Playing host to the Drift League. Pro-Am Championship. Hit the jump, Ernie. Looks like heading over to what would be the start line here. Bixmer swinging wide over there on that Ditto Tire wall. Coming back to the stage starting line. Ceremony now. All right. First up, we got Best Domestic Vehicle. Best Domestic Vehicle. All right, so Best Domestic Vehicle. We got a Buick in the car show. Got some more drifting going on back here, so we're going to try to overpower them with the squealing of the tires. As Ernie Bixmer out there. Best Domestic Vehicle goes to Mike Williams with the Z28. Mike Williams. Mike, congratulations, buddy. You want to jump up here? You want to come around? Congratulations, Mike. Thank you. Come on, come on. Up. Oh, there we go. Watch your knees, watch your knees. Congratulations, Mike. Thank you so much. Beautiful car. Where's your car at? Green. All right. Congratulations, Mike. Thank you for joining us out here, man. Goes to Josh Shandor. Josh Shandor with an H2. All right, so best of show goes to Brian Dong, if you know him. Heading over here, he has the FRS. Congratulations. We'll see you online, or we'll see you another time. Thank you for joining us here at Mid-O Tire Auto Enthusiast Day, presented by Driving Line. Thank you, Cole, for joining us guys. Got the broken chicken wing, holding the head out. All right, so again, drive safely. Thank you guys for joining us out here in the shadow of the A. We'll see you next year. Mid-O Tire Auto Enthusiast Day, presented by Driving Line.